Welcome to a new video. In today's video, I have great news. I have updated my Python library named onelinevalidation. Onelinevalidation. It is a simple library in the Python language that performs validation in an easy and simple way. With onelinevalidation, you can use user form data, and you can also customize validation using regex. Do you not prefer dealing with the regex? Now, in the new version, you can perform validation using callback functions from the validator's library. This means that you can validate any data you want with callback functions. Install onelinevalidation now from the link in the description. Thank you for watching the video. See you in another video.